Number 3, potential for future compatibility issues. Eclipse Temurin is an evolving distribution, meaning it continues to release new versions with changes and updates. These updates can sometimes introduce compatibility issues with existing applications, technologies, or environments. For instance, an Eclipse Temurin binary might not work seamlessly with specific tools or setups requiring additional patches or configurations. It is crucial for users to keep an eye on notes, participate in online discussions, and stay informed about potential incompatibilities. They should be prepared to update their systems or choose alternative distributions to ensure their applications' stability and performance. Please leave a comment below stating as to which one you think is the biggest con of Eclipse Temurin.